Sure, yep. The last part of our activity is giving a demonstration about renewable and non-renewable and how that works. So I'm going to have two teams that I'll divide up in a minute. One team is going to be the wind. Wind is a little white beam. This is going to represent wind. Okay? The other one is going to represent oil. The little brown bean is our oil. And we are going to take about 30 seconds at a time to collect, just put them over there by the wall for right now. We're going to take about 30 seconds at a time to collect the beans for our team. Don't worry about what those are for right now. Right now you're listening to me. Okay? We're going to take 30 seconds at a time to collect the beans for our team. Tell Mrs. Mom thank you. When the timer goes off, your team goes back to home base. This is going to be the wind home base. This is going to be the oil home base. Okay? When you get to home base, your job will be to count the number of beans that you have in your cup. And then we'll write it on the board. So say oil came up with, boys you need to listen, oil came up with 30 beans. We'll record that on the board, but the next 30 seconds, we're going to go see if we can find some more. Put your hand down, I'm doing directions, and then I'll listen to your questions. Okay, then we're going to go find some more. And then we're going to take the number that we have on the board, and we're going to start there. So oil comes back, they've got 30. They're going to count 31, 32, 33, and continue to add to what they've already found. Does that make sense? Last time kids would come back and they'd have 30, and then they'd tell me 12, and then they'd tell me 18, and then we had to add them all up together, and it took a lot of time. So this time we're going to start with whatever you have up here, and then continue to add from that. So, let's have this group. Avery, are you paying attention? Evan and Reagan and Michelangelo and Sam and Colton on that team. You don't need to, you'll move your bodies. Okay, so if you want to come over here by your home base. Everyone on this side, come over here. Chandler, what is your burning question? Put your desk back, Hayden. Your chair back. Well, get over it. Home base is right here. Ignore it. Just tell them, so what? No big deal. No big deal. Hey! You are my wind. You are my oil or coal. I guess last time it was coal, but it could be oil. Here is your cup. As you gather, bring them back and stick them in the cup. Oh, I don't have everybody's attention. I don't have everybody's attention, Chandler. Ready? Set. No running. Go. Stop. Back to home base. See what you can find. See what you counted. Back to home base. Back to home base. I don't want to know about the frog right now. I want you back at home base.
Get this one.
Stay away from it.
I like the
Back to home base. Stay with your home base. How's your group? We want to go one more time.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31,
Wow, I'm seeing lots of them still.
33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45.
Haley, back to home base. Stay at your home base. Stay at your home base. Your home base is over there, bud.
We got 52.
How much for oil?
And we got 52.
Oil, how much?
32.
32?
Yeah.
Oil, you need to look harder because I hit the same amount. Wind, how many?
52.
Okay. One more time. Ready? Set. Go.
Michael.
High or low. You don't have to climb on anything though.
Ew, that's the
Make them so you
skin.
couldn't see 'em. You should be able to see them. They're sitting out.
So now it's someone. I'm busy.
Right.
Dang.
Okay, back to home base and count. Start with the number that you have up here and add to it.
Ha!
More people doesn't matter. Oh, well.
I found it! I found the one that fell. Here. Here we found one. 62. 63. They win. 64. 66. They win.
There's no win or lose, guys. It's not a win or lose thing. Okay, have a seat.
69.
Have a seat. Whoops, I didn't mean to cross out.
In our seat.
Now, at the beginning, I hid the same amount of beans. But something was different as we went on. Now think about this. You guys were oil. You guys were wind. Okay? So, oil is what kind of a resource? No, what kind of a resource is it?
Non-renewable.
Non-renewable resource. And wind is a renewable resource. Now something changed during the game. Now somebody said, but they have more people. More people doesn't matter. More people didn't matter. And it didn't have anything to do with this team wasn't very good at looking. It wasn't that. Something changed during the game. I put the same number out to begin with, but why would they find more wind and less coal or oil? Reagan?
Because oil is a
non-renewable resource. So guess what? The wind was being renewed during the game.
What does that mean?
What does that mean?
Well,
How was that?
being made again.
How was it being made again, you think?
I know that. You were adding more.
I was adding more as you guys were counting. Then I renewed our wind resources. And I did not renew yours because yours is a non-renewable resource. So you only had what was there to begin with. Do you see the difference between renewable and non-renewable? Okay.
So we both put it past 33.
When I started out with the same amount. And then as we went, I added more wind because wind is a renewable resource.
Wait, as we went,
As we went, I put more out.
no wonder.
Wow, you guys were counting. I was being sneaky. Hey, if you'll put that on my desk, I need glue to be put back. Let's put, if your notebook still needs to dry, let's put them back on the round tables because my students in reading do not use